What is going on, guys? So I've got another video today. It's going to be going over what's in this box, which you'll see in just a minute, but I need to change to get in the mood of the video for today, so I will be right back. Alright, I'm back, and now I kind of match the theme of today's video. I'm sure you already know, of course, by the title and the thumbnail, but hey. So today I've got another Palmetto box, and we're gonna open it, and I'm gonna go over what's in it and tell you everything I can, all the information I have on it, get some good video of it, quality wise, what it looks like, what you can expect. And that'll conclude for this video for the unboxing, and then hopefully here real soon I'll be able to get out to the farm and we'll start running some rounds through this and see how it performs. I'm excited, so without further ado, let's get this pretty blue box opened and see what we got. Alright, so don't mind the wind noise. I am in my workshop like usual, and I got my AC blasting and my fan blowing to circulate the air. So I do have the lapel mic going. Hopefully that'll cut down on some of this wind noise. But here's our box. And let's see what we got inside. Of course, got to get the stickers in there, but what we have here would be the PSAK-47 GF5-R. So I will go ahead and we'll pull this out. I'll turn the camera around and we'll just kind of go over some of the features and we'll go on from there. Like I said, and kind of just go over what comes in the box, and then we'll bring the camera in and get some good footage of it, and just kind of go over a little spec sheet over here that I put together and let you know exactly what to expect. So when you get it, this is how it comes. Right there. So first off, of course, as I said, it's the PSAK-47 GF5-R. It's the Romanian kit build from Palmetto. So I'll put some pictures in here of how these kits come from their distributor, but it essentially comes cut here, 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 and I believe here. So it's the receiver's cut up, the barrel's cut in two different places, and it's all in parts and pieces. It does come with so when you get one, it's going to have a brand new Palmetto receiver, and it's going to have a brand new barrel. The barrel it comes with is going to be a 16-inch barrel. It's a 1 in 9.5 twist. It's a FN barrel, so it's a brand new FN barrel. It's cold hammer forged, chrome moly, and it's magnetic particle inspected also. Comes with the cleaning rod, and it has a phosphate finish on it. So the only parts that essentially are new is going to be the barrel, the receiver. Those are going to be your primary replacement parts, and the trigger group. It comes with a ALG AKT enhanced trigger with a lightning bow installed, so it's an upgraded trigger. These kits they do come with a guarantee that you're going to get a numbers matching on at least these 4 critical parts. It's going to be the bolt, the carrier, the trunnion, and the dust cover. Those are all guaranteed to be numbers matching. The wood itself is going to be what do they call it? Romanian surplus furniture. But you might get lucky like me, and your furniture set, like this one here with the dong actually matches numbers to the receiver, upper receiver set. So this is pretty much a numbers matching everything right there. Let's see. It does come with a 1,000 yard rear sight, the fixed front sight, the bolt carrier, and the bolt and carrier are both forged. Let's see, the front trunnion, hope I'm saying that right, I'm not a big AK guy, this is my first AK, so bear with me. The front trunnion is a forged Romanian trunnion. It does come with a scope mount, so you can run your scopes. Let's see, the muzzle device, when you get one of these particular ones, it does have a disclaimer. The furniture set may vary, and the muzzle device also will vary. I just have a thread protector on here, but that's fine because I will be getting a brake on here, so that way I can run it on my Omega 36. Let's see, we got what other important information here. I did put it on the scale, empty with no magazine. It comes in at 7 pounds 5 ounces. So it's not too heavy. Let's see. When you unbox it, it's going to come with, of course, you're going to get your stickers, and it's going to come with your gun lock, and unfortunately, thanks to the government, it's going to come with one 20-round magazine, and of course your owner's manual. So that's kind of what you're going to expect when you get one of these, how it's going to come. I'll go ahead and bring the camera down and we'll get a good close-up of it. I'll also put the links to all of the stuff that you see in the video down below if you're interested in picking up one of these. Currently, as of September 6th, 2022, the MSRP on this kit is $1149.99. So I don't know when you're going to be watching this, if it's going to be more, it's going to be less, but that is, as of today, that is the current MSRP on this AK, and they are on stock currently too. So I got to actually see these in the production line when I was there, and that was pretty neat, and I kind of liked it, and so I decided to get one of these. So I also picked up a bunch of I picked up a handful of 5, I think, of the 30-round PMags. You can get these, of course, anywhere that you can find them. Of course, it's kind of hard to find them in box stores. Like I said, they only sell 20-rounders in box stores, so you're probably going to be limited online, but PSA does have some, so I will put a link to these down below also if you're looking for some 30-round PMags. But yeah, let me go ahead and bring the camera in, and we'll just kind of go over what it looks like. Alright, so we'll start at the back end. There's the wood that's on it. Comes with this nice little tag here with inspection initials. Every single one of these is test fired, and they measure everything to make sure everything's within spec. they have their little grading scale, and if it's over a certain number, that rifle is pulled out, taken back, blown apart, and start over from scratch to make sure everything's good. Of course, every one of these rifles is matched for the bolt and the barrel, for the head spacing, so it's a perfect match. They start together, they go all the way down the assembly line together, and they get put into the receiver together as one solid unit all the way down from start to finish. The dome. There's where you can see that it is original wood. This shows some character. And the business end. I will bring the camera in. Let's see if it'll focus on here so you can see. There's your FN stamp. Hammer forged. MPI. 7.62 by 39. 1 and 9.45 twist. And there's your ALG trigger. My particular rifle is a 1975 Armory. Which you can see right there. And my numbers match from here. Of course, you gotta get your stickers. So I'll bust the dust. I'll bust open the dust cover, and we'll just peek in there. I'm not gonna do a full tear down, but I'll open it up so we can look in there. Dust cover. All right. Probably won't be able to see. I'll bring the camera down so that way we can look in there. But there's another matching. There's all my serial numbers in there that match. Bolt, everything. So let me bring the camera down in here and just show you what it looks like down inside. There's the inside of a nice brand new clean rifle. Just got to go break it in. So that'll conclude the unboxing and just kind of visual go over and kind of checklist of what exactly is going on here and what's in the box. If I learn anything else about this particular firearm, I will put any of that information in the next video, which will be the shooting portion. Of course, I'm going to continue to do some research. I just kind of want to. Got a lot to learn here. This is a whole new platform for me, so I want to learn as much as I can on it, and of course get it out on the range and start shooting. But if you have any questions, put them down below. Like I said, I will put all the links to everything you've seen in the video down below also. If you haven't seen also Palmetto's sister company, AAC, they've got some ammo. They just dropped 300 black, so now they got 300 black, and the price is ridiculously low. I think it's like $11.99 a box. That's about the price I pay for 223 5.56 locally here. Actually, it's cheaper. I want to say it's about $12.99 for steel cased 223 out here, or at least in the Houston area. So they got the 300 blackout. They have 223, 5.56, whatever you want to call it. Also, pretty good prices too. And of course, they have 9mm. They have two different offerings. They have 115 and 124. I believe they're the same price. Don't quote me on that, but I'll put links to all the ammo down below. If you can catch them on free shipping days, I mean, that's a steal. I mean, you can get, I want to say it was for 100 rounds, the 9mm is like less than 30 bucks. So it comes out to like 30 cents a round or something like that. 32 cents, I don't remember exactly. But yeah, looking for ammo, definitely check out the AAC. They're constantly working to put out ammo. They do have a few more cartridges that I'm pretty sure they're working on that you'll see available also on the site here pretty soon. Probably something in the line to help feed their 5.7 rock. But other than that, any questions, put them down below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I will catch you on the next video, and have a good day.